Deep pink. Let's draw a carriage for the princess. First, draw the ornate coach. That's it. And draw the curved roof with scrolls. Excellent! Draw a window and door on the carriage that look like seashells. Deep pink! Amazing! Draw pretty curtains on the window. Put heart pendants on the carriage. Your carriage looks wonderful. First, draw the back wheel with spokes. Now, draw the front wheel with spokes. You've drawn a delightful carriage.